Yeah. I just feel like expressing myself, you know. It's not something that I usually do. But I feel like I need to get this out. You feel me? Mina, Keith. I don't even know how to start this song. I anticipated this for far too long now. I know saying this is probably wrong, but I really wish nigga call me wrong now. And kinda sleep forever. I mean, I really wish I could sleep forever. Sleep forever. It's weird, I don't feel like doing my art at all. I don't know what's in my heart, you know. Feel like I'm stuck and depressed, like I'm stuck in the past. Damn, I guess I'm not in the present. I guess as we go now, put on me, Jalo, I'm not perfect. I'm a good as I should see one now. I'm a good as a president. I guess I shouldn't be complaining at all, cause I'm just a person.
I need Tsonga today, but I cannot cry no more. I feel like I got a lot to say, but at the same time I don't know how to write it down. I don't know how to take it out. How to take it out. Help me, help me, help me.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Switch it up.
I'm not depressed, I need a cash. I need a cash, I'm not depressed, yeah. I need a little bit of cash, I need that. I need that, I need that, I did it, bank, I mean, I design cash. Design spend, I need shava, I'm beggar. Emana dinga kulavu loko mali tadesh banchi. La handle vutam njutafu kote mela nwasho gyanji. Podala basulavu kukutamela le yang wanchichi. Podala basulavu kutamana buena loko ngatiri. Loko vana shilavu tifreno taseka ilo angati.
I just feel like wanna be rich forever. I mean, I really wish I could be rich forever. Be rich forever.